Good morning, Fenlanders. How are we doing? It's proper snotty out here today. Yay! I got my overalls on. Why have I got my overalls on? You know me, I don't normally wear overalls. The JCB overalls on. But we're going to get the bottom pin welded up on this harvester so we can pretty much get it back together now. So thanks to Richard for coming out. Came and helped, had a little afternoon with us, which was nice. I still got subsoiling to do. Yeah, we got some other bits and pieces left to do on the harvester, obviously. Grumpy Grandad's rocking out. But we'll get the welder out here. Weld that up. It's all go around here. Grumpster's only gone and serviced the engine. It's a new oil, new filters, and a general look over. So that's done. That can come down. I have just spent the last, what feels like 2 days, topping that main gearbox, changing the oil and that. So that's done. Pulled this forward so I can give that a little blowout and just make sure that's okay. But there obviously is a reverser on it, so I'm guessing. I don't know. That's got a reverser fan on it. Well, it's hydraulic, isn't it? So
I don't know why it would have.
You don't know why it would have?
Yeah.
But I don't think that's the, that's not the, that's just for oil anyway, I think, isn't it? That's just for oil. The radiator one is up here. Alright, that's not really open how I wanted it to open. There we go. So yeah, I'll get the, where is it? There. You can see it's all caked in dirt. It's dirty. So I'll get that one out of the way. And a big airline and set about it. Just have a good blow down. It never gets hot, but I don't want it to get hot to start with, so. Alright. On to the most important thing. We are going to get the welder out here. We broke.
Finger tight really, in case they get any weld splattered on it.
There's nothing like welding in the rain, is there? Yeah, that's all we're going to do now. Weld that on in the inside there. Grumpster will flatten it off. I mean, it looks like a butcher been at it, but I just stop that pin moving around then, and then we get the while he's putting his steering back together, I can be getting the wheel on. And then we're going to need someone with a torque wrench to do them up. They're freaking tight. So, we'll get on welding. This is how bad this is going to be. Look, I got a bandana on to stop my hair catching fire. Right, wish me luck. I may move you further out of the way to avoid some splatter. Put it on 8. Hoorah! We're gonna try and push it round. Harder than that. Turn the gas on might help. Cup of tea would be lovely, Nutty Nana. It all changes when you go upside down, doesn't it? Right, ready? Just keep your hand on that. That's
okay, it. You've got the on 9 and you've got 8 on the wire speed.
Okay, cool. Bit more. There you go, getting in there now. Bit more. There you go.
9.
Yeah, cool. It's right, isn't it?
And fill
There's
that down.
plenty of water in there. I soon found that. Yeah, that's that water coming out of it. Not liking that. Turn the wire speed down again. Right, all that's doing is dripping off now.
It's all about right angle.
Yeah, that was gone lovely, look, and you can see all the water's just made a beeline for us. I like the weld there, I don't like the weld there. Turn that down again then. Yeah, it's just not liking that at all. Well, it's welded, it just looks horrible. It's giving you more to grind off. Move a bit faster, I think. Yeah, if you stay there too long, it just starts dripping on you. The welders don't take the bolts out and grind that flat. Fall apart.
A little bit more in there or not?
Depends how much grinding out you want to do, really, doesn't it? I mean, it's got it.
It could only be flat with that, can't it?
Yeah.
The plate's going to go on. It's got to be flat to let the plate go.
I wouldn't worry about it. It's all welded. That's all that bit. It's all welded up in there, isn't it? Say that bit.
What I'm saying is it looks as if there's a bit of a low in there.
There is a bit of a low, but it's welded, isn't it? So.
I know it's welded. It'll be welded across there as well.
Should be on the final bit now, Fenlanders. Weld that bit. The cap on. Dad's got some new bolts coming tomorrow. So, as long as we can get in there with an Allen key and undo them, I just changed them bolts because they had a fair hard time. There was one snapped in the bottom here, and there was one snapped in the top. So they've had a good whittle around in there. So we're just going to tack this on like an inch every couple of inches. We run out of wire. I don't quite need that on quite as hot as I had it a little while ago. Handy having that there, because I can flip her on. Boom. Now we get the wheel back on. I'm nearly out of wire, so. And I'm nearly out of gas as well, so. I'll just use this wire up. So that was welding lovely until all the water started falling into the hole. Right, now we're all back together. This is a fun job. Just leave that thing running. Mate bought me a bucket of grease the other day. This is now grease tube number 4 going in here. So, ooh, look at that chocolatey. Seems a treat. Try and get this all back together tonight. So I just got to sit here and just keep pumping grease into it till it starts to come out.